Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Susanti from Management Class 2 d with NPM 224111D. On this occasion, I will explain some material and various discussion about hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing. Statistical hypothesis testing is a procedure carried out to test the truth of a statement or conjecture about a population statistically and draw conclusion. Statistical hypothesis is a statement or conjecture about the condition of a population that is still temporary or a still truth. In hypothesis testing, there are two hypotheses, namely the null hypothesis HO and the alternative hypothesis HA. The null hypothesis is a hypothesis that is considered to that there is a difference between the population size and the sample size, while the alternative hypothesis is a hypothesis that is different as the absence of the difference between the population data and the sample data. General product that must be followed in hypothesis testing include formulating a hypothesis, causing a certain level of confidence, and determine the size of the sample taken. Causing effort type, the statistic as the basic for the testing procedure, determine the critical area, collecting sample data and collecting the sample statistic, then starting project or asset hub. There are several types of hypothesis testing in statistical analysis, namely descriptive hypothesis, competitive hypothesis, assertive hypothesis, and causal hypothesis. The purpose of hypothesis testing in statistics is accurately determined, with here the null hypothesis can be rejected in favor of alternative hypotheses. In invertible statistics, hypothesis testing is assessed to make decisions based on data analysis, but from controlled experiments and from uncontrolled observation. The purpose of hypothesis testing is to find out the actual situation at the population level. Following are the general procedure that must be followed to conduct a hypothesis test. 1. Tell the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. 2. Cross a certain level of confidence and determine the sample size taken. 3. Select and override the statistic as a basis for the testing procedure. 4. Determine the critical area. 5. Collect sample data and calculate sample statistics. Then convert them into standard normal variable or the depending on the number of samples. 6. Test whether you reject or accept HU. In hypothesis testing, the decision must contain uncertainty, meaning the question can be ranked or won, giving rise to list the size of the list expected in the form of probability. There are the important lists in hypothesis testing, namely the significance, level, type, error, and statistical formula. Next, benefit of hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing has important benefits in research, including 1. Profit direction and focus to raise hypothesis profit are clear and focused framework from research so that research here can determine the variables that must be measured and observed. 2. Explain knowledge. Hypotheses that have been tested and validated scientific investigation can help us expand our knowledge. 3. Help different results here to the condition of parts and relationship between parts. Hypotheses have results here to understand the relationship between observed variables and forbid clues about how those variables can be measured. 4. Profit limitation and reduce the scope of pressure. Hypotheses have pressure here to limit the scope of pressure of focus of relevant variables. 5. Report conclusion. A hypothesis profit a framework for recording the content of investigation. C. Creative thinking. Hypotheses can show creative thinking and produce new ideas that have never been thought of before. Next, various types of statistical hypothesis testing. 1. There are separate types of hypothesis testing in statistics, including descriptive hypothesis. This hypothesis is a set to test the value of an independent without making comparisons or relationship with other variables. An example is testing people tendency to choose their car colors. 2. Competitive hypothesis. This hypothesis is a set to test the comparison of value of two or more samples. An example is testing this difference in average test score between two groups of students. 3. Assertive Associative hypothesis. This hypothesis is a set to test the relationship between two variables that have the same type of data within ordinal interval ratio data. An example in examine the relationship between height and weight. 4. Causality hypothesis. This hypothesis is a set to test the cause and effect relationship between two variables. An example is testing the influence of certain factor on the responsive variable. Okay, that's all the material I can convey. If there are words and sentences that are wrong, I apologize. Thank you. See you next time.